All right, here are expansion joints here at Blaney. There's nothing left there. Oh, this is a big crack here too. Huh. We were talking about that one over there, but there's a crack over there too. No joint here. Little joint here. It's pretty narrow. It's almost as if something was placed in to replace the old one, because usually the expansion, oh yeah, see all this wood is, oh, it's just roots. Yeah, usually expansion joint is wider than this, fills it up more. No. This doesn't slope down too bad. This part I'm standing on is a little lower, but this lip here is probably close to a 1/2 inch. Yeah. All right.